What's Emily eating? What is it? Can you say noodle?
Noodle.
Noodle.
Here.
Olivia?
Oh.
There's Olivia. Say hi, Olivia. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Is that your hand? She's playing with her hand.
Hi, yeah.
Hey, Olivia. How's that juice? Who's on your cup? Thank you. Don't throw it. Get down. Are you done with your noodles? No, I didn't think so. Yummy, yummy noodles. Daddy's over there. Can you say, yay, mama? Yay, mama. Where is Daddy? She thinks you're hiding from her. Where's Daddy? Oh, I hear Daddy. He thinks you're in the closet like you usually do when you hide. She keeps looking over there. Daddy's on the couch. How's that noodle? Mm-mm. Who's this? Who is it? Olivia. Are you a fettuccine face? Are you a fettuccine face?
Daisy. Wait.
Who is it? Woody from Toy Story. Yeah.
Wait, with that.
From Toy Story, that's right. Wow.
Biggie.
Biggie. Who else is on there?
Biggie.
The doggy's there. And who else? Is there a dinosaur? Where's the dinosaur?
Biggie.
Biggie, Biggie. What do you think?
There.
Yeah?
Biggie.
Woody. Can you wipe your face? Can you wipe your face?
There.
Yeah. You say, ta-da!
Yeah.
Ta-da! Say bye-bye.